My experience with PowerProv was amazing. We organised the group for PowerProv, including Erin, to come out to our company offsite, basically to run a session on communication, and it could not have fit the brief more perfectly. It just was a great opportunity for everyone to get out of their heads, into their bodies, get to know each other better. All we're taking some really valuable skills away that we can use in our daily life and work. Yeah, it was fantastic. I got a lot out of meeting our team. In today's world, we spend a lot of time remote, behind screens, and it was so nice just to connect in person and kind of relearn some of those communication skills that are so important. Yeah. Definitely recommend. We were looking at a few different companies with similar offerings, and we could not be happy with PowerProv. Definitely recommend.
How would you describe today in 3 words?
Energizing, connection, eye contact.
Great.